Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to be counting my sinking funds. I do these videos at the end of every month, but before I get into this video, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click the red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload a video. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started, you guys. Okay, so right here, I hope you guys can see it, I have my sinking funds notebook. So right here it says sinking funds for March 2021, and so at the end of March we ended with $9,260 saved for our sinking funds. And then over here, this is my sinking funds for April 2021. I have my categories right here, my beginning balance, and then I'm going to write my ending balance over here. So and then right here I'm going to write the total. Now the amount is going to be lower for the month of April because I did use 3 of my sinking fund cash envelopes. I did use all of the money out of 3 envelopes, so it's going to be a little bit lower than 9,000. So let's just see how much we end with. So we're going to go ahead and start with my gold and white binder, and we are going to start with birthday. Let me see, put my phone here. We're going to go ahead and start with birthday. So I have my 1K slips right here. Let me go ahead and put that to the side. I gotta straighten this money up, y'all. Okay, so let me do this. 100s, and then okay, so for birthday we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 4,000, and then we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 950, 970, 980, 990, 995, 96, 97, 98, 99, 5,000. Let me double check this, y'all. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 950, 970, 980, 990, 995, 996, 997, 998, 999, 1,000. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this 1,000 right here is put this to the side. I'm going to put that in my envelope that I have my the rest of my $100 bills. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and grab another 1K slip. And so now we have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 5,001, 5,002. So my goal for birthday was 5,000 flats, and we have $5,002. So my birthday cash envelope goal is reached. I am so excited about that, you guys. So let me go ahead, and today is the 26th. I'm gonna go ahead and say $5,001. So 5,001. I'm gonna go ahead and put that there, and then I'm gonna write $5,001 right here. And then next up we have Christmas, and for Christmas, let's see what we have. Okay, so for Christmas, looks like we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 640, 660, 670, 680, 685, 686, 687, 688, and 689. So we have $689. $689 in Christmas. But let me just double check this, guys. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 640, 660, 670, 680, 685, 686, 687, 688, 689. Sometimes I have to double check myself. $689 because I be thinking that I be counting wrong, so I have to double check myself. Does anybody else do that, or is it just me? And then next up we have homeschool. And so homeschool has, let's see here. Homeschool has 100, 200, 210, 215, 216, 217, 218, 219, 220, 221. Okay, so 221 for homeschool. 221. Okay. So we have $221 for homeschool. And then for YouTube, this is one of the envelopes that I just had to restuff. And so YouTube now has $7. Okay. And so we're going to say $7 for YouTube. And then next up, we do have giveaway. And giveaway has Giveaway has 100, 200, 300, 310, 315, and 320. Okay. 320 for giveaway. And then next up we have car maintenance, and car maintenance is also an envelope that I had to start over with. So car maintenance now has just $13. And then we have car registration. Car registration has, let's see, so car registration has 100, 200, 220, 230, 240, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250, 251, and 252. So we have 252. For car registration. And then for YouTube taxes, we have, let's see, this to the side, and we have We have 100, 200, 220, 230, 240, 245, 246, 247, 248, 249, 250, 251, and 252. So we have 252 in YouTube taxes. And then for, if I can get this open. And then for cell phone, I also had to start over with cell phone. So cell phone today has $19. $19 for cell phone. Okay, so that's everything for my gold and white sinking fund binder. So now let's go ahead and move on over to my black sinking fund binder. so we're going to be starting with Shania. And so Shania has, let's see. Shania has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 640, 660, 670, 671, 672. Hold on, guys. Let me go ahead and straighten this back. Okay, so we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 640, 660, 670, 675, 676, 677, and 678. So we have $678 for Shania. And then for Qantas Jr., Qantas Jr. has, let's see, go ahead and put this down. Let's go ahead and, okay, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 640, 660, 670, 675, 676, 677, and 678. So Qantas Jr. has $678. Okay. And then for Mommy, Mommy has Mommy has 100, 200, 300, 320, 340, 345, 346, 347, and 348. So 348. And then Daddy has this to the side. Daddy has 100, 200, 300, 320, 340, 345, 346, 347, and 348. Okay. And then lastly, we have cell phone. No, I'm sorry, not cell phone, but vacation. And vacation has, let's see. Vacation has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 640, and 650. $650 in vacation. $650. Okay. So now we are going to go ahead and calculate this up to see how much we have saved for the month of April. Okay, so for birthday we have $5,001, so 501 plus 689 plus 221 plus 7 plus 320 plus 13 plus 252 plus 252 plus 19 plus 678 plus 678 plus 348 plus 348 plus 650 equals 9,476. Wait, so that's more. $9,476. Okay, so for the month of March, we had 9,260. I thought for sure that we were going to be lower because I used some money from 3 of my envelopes. So, well, that's always good. I thought we were going to be lower, but we are actually still progressing. So, $9,476. But you know what, guys? Just to be safe, let me go ahead and calculate this up just one more time. So, we have 5,001 plus 689 plus 221 plus 7 plus 320 plus 13 plus 252 plus 252 plus 19 plus 678 plus 678 plus 348 plus 348 plus 650. Yep, $9,476. For some reason, I just thought that my balance was going to be lower since I used money out of 3 of my envelopes, but we are actually doing very well. So again, for the month of April 2021, we are ending the month with $9,476 saved in our sinking funds. So that is going to be it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, I would be very grateful if you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Share this video with your friends and your family, and don't forget to leave me some comments down in the comment section below. That's going to be it for this video, you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.